Hi, this is Carl Fleming with MarineMax Stuart. Today we're going to take a tour of this 2020 Sea Ray 400 SLX outboard. This particular boat is a Sea Ray blue hull. It's equipped with triple Mercury 400 Verados with a joystick piloting. As we make our way up here, you can see one of the many neat features on this boat is this large swim patio that folds down. So the whole side drops down here just by the push of a button. As you can see, it gives you a lot more space here, tons of room. Another neat feature, back seating here, if you do have this swim patio down and you want to sit and face that way, this backrest does just fold right around. You can also see that we have the electric sunshade out on this boat right now, and you can see how much more shade that does actually give you. As we make our way into the cockpit area here, you can see tons of seating all the way around. We got this large teak table that folds out, and then it does flip away to give you plenty of leg room there to get in and out. At this kitchen prep station, we have an electric grill. There's a sink here, another sink storage area here. There's a large refrigerator and freezer combination here. Trash cans that fold out, as well as a wine cooler. Moving forward to the helm, two large Simrad screens here that do everything from chart plotter, depth finder. You can actually control all the lighting, all the systems on the boat through the Simrad. It's a really neat feature, and all your information will run through there as well. Like we said, this boat does have the joystick piloting. Autopilot's built into that, skyhook, a lot of neat features there. The bolsters at the helm here, if you want to stand up, they fold away. If you want to sit down, just lay them right down. This boat is also equipped with a Seakeeper. So the Seakeeper gyroscopic stabilizer is on this boat. This seat here, to make it more social, you can face forward when you're running the boat. If you want to turn it to socialize, the seat just spins around. Same thing with the bolster, that lays down here just like the other seats. Here down in the cabin, we have the table set up for a dining area. The table does lay down to make that a forward berth. And then there is actually a large mid-berth in the rear. There's an enclosed head down here as well, so there's plenty of sleeping room if you do want to take the family and spend the weekend on the boat overnighting. Definitely set up for that. As we head up towards the bow, in this storage area here, there's actually a television. It goes right above the kitchen prep center that we looked at earlier. The television just hooks in right there. This big windshield here will fold all the way across. You can pull this out, that way you're shielded from the breeze if you'd like. Here at the bow, again, tons more seating, super comfortable. There is a removable table that goes in the very front here, and then the table just stows away here when you're not using it. And then we've got a windlass. Here there's a remote. You can control the windlass here at the front, or you can control it from the helm if you want as well. Again, my name is Carl Fleming with MarineMax Stuart. If you'd like more information on this boat, if you'd like to schedule an appointment to see it, my number is 772-349-4178. Thanks.